Hello, this is Robert Plenick, the owner of Brittle Iron Gym. I'm doing a workout today featuring some kettlebell swings with some varying styles. So the one you'll see I'm going to alternate between two rep styles. One style is a squat style and the other style is a hinge style. So the squat style works a little more thighs along with the glutes, whereas the hinge style works mostly the glutes. Some hamstring involvement for sure, but it's mostly supposed to be like a hip hinge movement rather than a thigh-based movement. So I'm going to show you those, and then I'm going to show you what I'm pairing it with. Okay, so set the camera up. I think this should be a good angle.
Caught me off guard is all.
Yeah.
Not the smoothest landing, but sounds are 150, and I'm doing sets of somewhere between like 10 to 14 total reps, not really counting, just getting a good squeeze and good activation of the muscles. And then what we're setting it together with is a split squat with our tsunami bar. So I'll show you that. And I'm only doing sets of 5 on that because it's a nice explosive movement. When the wings swing down at the bottom, it shoves you harder into your glute area, the finer inner, smaller muscles of the glute. So really good at developing hip strength. So I'm doing these back and forth for sets. Just thought it'd be fun to share the difference in the two kettlebell swing styles, plus a really weird, fun exercise. Cool.